What's wrong? How you guys doing? It's a whole vibe. I ate breakfast. I had powerful breakfast. Guys, today I'm surprising you. You know how I like showing you guys places, where you can cheat, where you can bring your mommies and daddies and your boyfriends and sweethearts, your wives and husbands. Yeah, so today I am down Leopards Hill Road, and I'm gonna show you guys around this place. So this place is about,
It's called Nkwashi.
it's called Nkwashi. It's about it said here it's VIP parking this side. But anyway, we're just gonna park this same side because we don't know where we have to park, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
They call me rocker, yeah. They call me rocker. I can no more pretend. You don't scatter my defense. Little things for the end. Swear you're gonna like me. Can I be your girl? That friend with no real end. Doing all the things you like. My temperature right.
It's so dark. Which woman?
Yeah.
This is Madame looking all good.
Thank you. I feel good.
No, I said that Madame, not you. No, that one.
No.
That woman. Guys, this is, it's what? Chena Gallery. I have to ask the name of that dam. This is beautiful. So canoeing is 100 kwacha. I'm not doing that.
You didn't do canoeing?
Today.
Not today, but yes.
So we are paying 100 kwacha.
I don't think we'll do today.
Oh, because so they've said that they are they are launching this place on the 9th of April at Bonanza. I love it.
Kids 50, then infants it's free.
Okay.
So infants is about 5 or 6 and below. Yeah.
Interesting. It's really cool.
Yeah, it is.
Let's look for space and sit and move. We can walk around and take photos. And
Yes, you can.
Okay.
If you upload anything on Instagram or Facebook, please tag us. Chena
Yeah.
Art House.
She's the blogger.
Oh, really? Okay. Really cool.
Right?
We can always work something out.
I don't know. The lighting comes and then goes.
Yeah. It's
I still have one, right? Yes, this is the one. This is why we always get started.
more money.
This man is fuel.
Oh, it's paint. They're painting. Oh, you've played? I'm feeling vibes.
me write a big fat zero.
Wait.
Watch
One,
me.
they want just one canoe.
Yes, it
They
goes like this with 4 eyes. Okay, I've run out of space.
Maria, that's somebody guy.
From your body, bro. Big time player. Hey, I win. Hey. Now, that comes to your bay. Hey.
Hey guys, so this is Chena Gallery. Actually, this place is just amazing. So there is this dam. I'm told next week, yeah. So like they said that you can swim at some point there, but have you seen like where the building is? That's where we were. So they told us to say on Saturday they are going to be having this competition, the what, canoeing competition or something like that. So like those guys that are going back that side, like those guys are the ones that are bringing these ropes.
Oh, because yes, they told you. So you rest from there to here. Ah, it's far. Eh?
It's far.
It's far.
It's like a distance go. So yeah, me and my friend will be participating.
You lied.
Again.
That's how you know.
Aggie and I will be participating in this canoeing what? Canoeing arrangement, eh? Yeah. So they said that you can swim. I don't know if it's here where you can swim or somewhere there. I don't know. They said you can come swim. You can do what? So we're about to leave, but it's about 3:45 and people are coming. So we're gonna find another spot, and because this place is far, we're gonna find another spot at least near home and start quaffing. You know me and drinks, eh? Yeah. So there is babes, babe number 1 and babe number 2. And by the way, I look pretty. I love pretty.
You're fire.
I look fire. Fire. I look fire. Let me show you what I'm putting on. See that skirt and this top. Hey, yeah, let's go. This is where we came actually. It's called Chena Art House. I thought it was Chena Gallery, but yeah. So these guys are going to be having a what are they having at Bonanza again?
I bought something.
A what?
I bought a
Canoeing.
canoe competition.
No, like the exhibition at the other place.
Oh, the art exhibition.
Yeah. So it's actually at Nkwashi. If you know where Nkwashi is, leave a comment down below.
Come on Saturday. Tell them come on Saturday.
Come on Saturday for a canoeing competition. I can't do that because I don't know anything about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive to the other side and then yeah. So actually today we didn't find much to do, but you guys should come check out this place. So you can come here with your own food and any whatever you drinks. You only pay 100 kwacha, but if you are doing activities that I'm gonna put them down, but let me just check because they gave us something. So you can, if you're having oh okay, so the activities are as follows. For a braai, It's 100 per person for less than 10 people because it's a small place. So yeah. And then canoe rides are 100 per person for 30 minutes. There's biking for 30 minutes is 100 kwacha. Painting is 200 per person. And then they also do the photo shoots at Chena Media, by Chena Media team. So 10 images 1,000, 15 images 1,500, 20 images 2,000, then 50 per additional image. And then they also do, you hire the grounds. If you have your own photographer, the grounds are 750 half day and 1,500 full day. If the gallery is the one taking the pictures, it's 750 and 1,500 full day. And the video shots at half day 2,500, full day 5,000. Wedding venues, outdoor 10,000, indoors 10,000. And please note, for photo shoots and videos, a rate per hour will be charged for time exceeded. For bookings and reservations, call us on. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Then you guys can call them. They're actually amazing people. Like the lady that was attending to us was Hope. Was the lady that was attending to us Hope?
Yeah, she has Hope. Very dope.
Very dope. Hope, very dope. Like she really explained a lot for us, and yeah, we enjoyed, despite them not having some of the drinks and whatever, and not having what they have on the drinks menu. And by the way, they do not have a kitchen here. They do not have a kitchen here, so you have to come with your own food and own chef if you have a chef. But if you're looking for a chef, you can call Chef 187.
Chef 25.
You can call Chef 187 to go cook for you. Ouch. Yeah, you can call Chef 187 to cook for you. Yeah, so they're still, and again, there are plots here on sale. Like it's a residential something, somebody like that. They have payment plans. You can
Range from 7.
from 70 going up, the plots, and then they have payment plans. You can start with a 10,000 going up, and their offices are in Woodlands, Nalikwanda Road. So like whenever you feel like buying a plot or something like that, have to hit them up. Yeah, we're out.